My dear students, good morning. We have discussed about the what is mole fraction, what is molarity, what is molarity. Now I am going to do problem on mole fraction, most important for IP question, 4 marks. 98 grams H2SO4, please note it, dissolved in 900 grams of water. Calculate the MF means mole fraction of the soluted solvent. Okay. Or calculate the mole fraction of sulfuric acid and water, he may ask. Okay. First of all, you have to identify which is solute, which is solvent. You see, the lesser quantity, sulfuric acid or water? No doubt about it. Sulfuric acid, 98 grams. Water, 900 grams. So, I am confident to say here solute, lesser quantity, small quantity, that is H2SO4. Okay. Solvent, 900 grams. What is that? Water. Please note, solute means lesser quantity, that is 98 grams. Solvent, water, that is 900 grams. So which is more? This one. This is more. So I am going to choose solvent, that is water as a solvent. Please note it. Which is less? Solute, 98 grams. So that is I am going to choose solute. Okay. Now what he has asked, calculate the mole fraction of solute and solvent. So please note it, the lesser quantity, that is solute is H2SO4, solvent is water. That is okay. So first of all, you have to calculate the number of moles of solute and solvent. Okay, solute moles. Solute means H2SO4. H2SO4 moles. What is the formula of number of moles? Weight of the substance by gram molecular weight. Weight of the substance by gram molar mass. Gram molecular weight. Weight of the substance by I don't want completely. Okay. Weight of the substance upon gram molecular weight or gram molar mass, you can say. What is the weight of the substance? He has given. I am going to write W is equal to 98 grams. Gram molecular weight, sulfuric acid, H2SO4 already discussed in the first year. H2, 2, sulfur 32, oxygen 16 into 4, 64. Total 98. I think you are clear. If you want solute moles, what is the formula? Weight of the substance upon gram molecular weight. Weight of the substance what he has given, 98 grams. W 98 grams. Molar mass, you know very well. H2SO4, hydrogen 1 we have already discussed in first year. Hydrogen 1. Here how many hydrogens are there? 2. 2 into 1, 2. Sulfur 32. Oxygen 16. 16 into 4, 64. So total 98. Sorry. So H2SO4 moles, that is you say N1. You say N1. So N1 is equal to weight 98 by gram molecular weight 98. 1. So solute moles 1. At the same time, solvent moles. Number of moles of solvent, that is water. Please note it. Water. Solvent means water. So what is the formula? Weight by gram molecular weight. How much weight he has given? Solvent weight he has given 900 grams. Solvent, water how much molecular weight? Water molecular weight 2 into H plus oxygen. 2 into hydrogen atomic weight 1. Oxygen atomic weight 16. 2 plus 16 18. So 18. 900 by 18. 18 ones 1850. Okay. So easy. I have calculated a solute moles N1. This is you say N2. N2 is equal to F. Okay. Now what he has asked solute mole fraction, solvent mole fraction. If you know number of moles of the solute and solvent, very easy to calculate mole fraction. So you see, I am going to finish rubbish. Please note it. N1 1, N2 50. Solute mole fraction is equal to number of moles of solute upon number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solvent. Okay, let's discuss it. Number of moles of solute, how much? We have 1. Number of moles of solute, how much? 1. Number of moles of solvent, how much? 50. You say N1, you say N2. So N1 upon N1 plus N2. This is nothing but N1 1, N1 1, N2 50. 1 by 51 is the right answer for solute mole fraction. Solute means H2SO4. So H2SO4 means sulfuric acid mole fraction is nothing but 1 by 51. At the same time, water mole fraction is equal to number of moles of solvent. Number of moles of solvent here, please note it. Number of moles of solvent of total. Number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solvent. Already we have given number of moles of solute, number of moles of solvent. Same. Here also number of moles of solute, number of moles of solvent. Here number of moles of solvent. You want to calculate the mole fraction of solvent. So you must mention on numerator. You must mention solute numerator. Okay. Number of moles of solvent 50, that is N2 50. Number of moles of solute 1 plus number of moles of solvent 50. So this is nothing but 50 upon 51. So you say XA, you say XB. So mole fraction of solute XA 1 by 51. Mole fraction of solvent XB 50 upon 51. What I have mentioned here, XA plus XB. Please note it. Mole fraction of the solute plus mole fraction of the solvent is always 1. You see, 1 by 51 plus 50 by 51. LCM 51. Here 1, here 50. Total 51 divided by 51. How much? 1. So XA plus XB is always 1. We have proved that. XA 1 by 51, XB 50 by 51, LCM 51, 1 plus 50, 51 by 51, that is equal to 1. Thank you. If you have any query regarding this question, again you ask me, I will tell. Okay. So if you want mole fraction of the solute solute, number of moles of the solute upon number of moles of the solute plus number of moles of the solvent. If you want mole fraction of the solvent, number of moles of the solvent by total moles, that is solution, solute plus solvent. Here also total moles, solute plus solvent. Okay. If you have to take any mixture, N2O2 H2, if you want to have mole fraction of the N2, number of moles of the N2 upon total N2 plus O2 plus hydrogen. Okay. Thank you.